a super speaker for the motion, and I quote, single-sex schools are better than mixed schools, unquote. Mr. Chairman, according to Leon Sachs, founder of the National Association for Single-Sex Public Education, quote, whenever girls and boys are together, their behavior inevitably reflects the larger society in which we live, unquote. My opponent may blindly argue that mixed schools perform well in terms of academics than single-sex schools. They were content that single-sex schools promote lesbianism and gayism among students. They will also argue that single-sex schools do not know how to socialize with members of the opposite sex. Mr. Chairman, there is no doubt that mixed schools perform well in terms of academics, but they cannot perform well than single-sex schools. Single-sex schools such as Pesek, Legon, St. Peter's, Grand College, Accra Girls, and many others in Ghana are having free mind to study, which lead them in better position. Mr. Chairman, in the 2018 WASI examination, St. Peter's, which is single-sex schools, was ranked as the best school in the whole Ghana. Mr. Chairman, we have heard about Osetutu, Matipem, and other single-sex schools. Are known, and are considered as the best schools in Ghana. This shows that single-sex schools have no competitors in terms of academics. This high performance of single-sex schools is due to the fact that in single-sex schools, students are able to express themselves in class, ask questions openly without being shy or others. Then again, there is undivided attention as students are able to concentrate on their studies rather than entangling themselves into boyfriend and girlfriend matter. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, single-sex schools that do not promote lesbianism and gayism. We all know that charity begins at home. This shows that the urge for lesbianism and gayism is a result of the child's upbringing. Television programs which shows homosexual weddings, conference and ordination of gays or lesbian bishops, among others, encourage homosexuality. When the child watches these things, they develop sexual acts for their own same-sex group. Again, Mr. Chairman, the argument that single-sex schools does not promote socialization among members of the opposite sex is also a false statement. All these are problems of charity beginning at home, because some parents do not want to see their children, especially the girl child, with any male colleague. The parents are the ones who make it hard for their children to socialize with the opposite sex and not the school of preference, single-sex schools. Even in some homes, children are not allowed to go out late alone to socialize. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, which such combination of schools is there likely to be right in teenage pregnancy, early parenthood, and immoral behaviors? I know you know the answer very well. My opponent will say it is a program of upbringing, but I will say that it is a problem of circumstances. During adolescence, girls and boys feel attracted to themselves, and this is not their fault. It is due to hormonal changes. As a result of this, they feel tempted to indulge themselves into sex. So when boys and girls are mixed together, they feel more tempted than ever. This is also not a program of charity beginning at home, because at the adolescent stage, most students will be at school and not at home. My opponents may argue that rules are set forward in mixed schools to prevent these immoral acts. But still, some students are too stubborn to comprehend to these rules. They would break these rules and have their own way no matter what. In conclusion, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen, looking at the motion from both points of view, it is unfilterable that single-sex schools are better than mixed. I humbly invite all of you, including my peers, to vote for the motion that, and I quote, single-sex schools are better than mixed schools. Thank you.
That's a very powerful group speaking against the motion. That is group one. Principal Speaker, Emmanuela, please come to the
Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, invited guests, co-debaters, advocate and people, all protocol observed. I am Emmanuela, Principal Speaker adding the motion before the House, and I quote, single-sex schools are better than mixed schools, unquote. Mr. Chairman, before I proceed, my opponent came here saying that charity begins at home. So for the boy or girl to learn how to socialize with the opposite sex begins at home. And sure. This is because when you go to school and you graduate and come home, or you graduate out of senior high and university and come home, when you see the opposite sex, you feel shy to approach him or her. Because why? You are not able to think of them when you're in school. So it is Mr. Chairman, my opponent will imagine that single-sex schools are better than mixed schools because you can concentrate on your studies without any interferences from the opposite sex. I will argue that in mixed schools, the challenge is sexism. This is because the school offers an environment that gives boys and girls chance to express themselves and share their views, which will teach them about equality when it comes to sexes. In this educational environment, students are allowed to discuss and debate. As a result, they will be able to explore each other's perspectives and their differences when it comes to views. This will make it easier for them to agree to disagree. I would like to ask my fellow students here, or my fellow friends, who are in single-sex schools, how many of them here or agree or understand the way the opposite sex behave? How many of you do? None. Because you don't know, you are not in the same school with them. You don't mingle with them because your school is the same of sex, or you are all of same sex. So you don't understand them when they speak or do something. But if you are in a mixed school, you know the reason why they do this and do that. To proceed, Mr. Chairman, another advantage of mixed school is that students are exposed to a normal environment. In this sense, the society is composed of both men and women. If they are taught and motivated to interact with both sexes, they can use their skill when they graduate in university or even in secondary schools and be the role model when men and women protect special aspect. Mr. Chairman, we all know that if you do not learn how to socialize with the opposite sex, then you are at play. You still feel shy to approach them, to ask for help, because you feel that, nah, you're not socializing with them, that will happen, maybe come to it. No. But if you're in a mixed school, you have no help. You can laugh, talk about, chat with them anytime you want. So, my dear opponent, you are researching. To proceed, Mr. Chairman, to add to that, students in mixed schools attend classes together and participate in class activities. These students will be able to learn about equality between men and women as opposed to single-sex schools. Mixed schools treat students equally with no preferences to sex. That when assignments are given, there are no special treatment and students are graded and evaluated on their performance and not on gender. Moreover, Mr. Chairman, students who are in single-sex schools find it hard to socialize with the opposite sex. They are not used to interacting and talking to members of the opposite sex. Conversely, students enrolled in mixed schools experience being with members of the opposite sex and become familiar with existing with them. The familiarity will teach them about coexistence and at the same prepare them when they get out of school, when they will have to deal with different kinds of people. Mr. Chairman, the final of numerous reasons why mixed schools are better than single-sex schools is that students in mixed schools are exposed to the opposite sex as well as communicate with them. Since both genders have different ways of expressing themselves, studying in mixed schools help an individual with communication skills. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it is obvious from these irrefutable points that I have prayed that all of you, including my opponent, will join hands with me and argue and vote against the topic single-sex schools are better than mixed schools. Thank you.
actually give punchlines to. That was quite interesting. So both speakers, I would say, have done a very good job. So we'll pick the points from each, and then we'll all deliberate on that. So you give us some examples to catch a few. You said in high academic performance. So this is for the motion. So the points raised. They also said charity